Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to block unwanted email addresses from sending you emails on your Gmail account. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So this method will put them directly in the spam folder, which is cleared out after I believe 30 days. So nobody really ever checks it out, and from your purpose, when you look at your inbox, it shouldn't be coming up there. So we're going to jump into it, and we're going to start by opening up an email from the sender you wish to block. Once you've opened up an email from that sender, you want to go and left click on the little drop down arrow where you hover over it says more next to the reply button. Left click on that one time, and then you want to left click on this block button, and it should have the name of whoever sent you the message. It should say block this email address. Future messages from such and such will be marked as spam. Left click on block to initiate the block, and that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.